Al here, and we're doing some pesto sauce today. That's P-E-S-T-O. We have these two items. This item is extremely heavy, by the way, and they're by Laevgo Cook. And this is a mortar and pesto set, P-E-S-T-L-E. So the P-E-S-T-L-E is making the P-E-S-T-O. So here it is. We've got some Parmesan cheese from, can I mention the name?
Yes.
From Sendix. And then we've got basil, or spinach.
Yes,
We've got spinach, baby spinach, and basil. And then we've got some garlic here, as well as some extra virgin olive oil. So I've been instructed to kind of
just start with a little bit.
A little bit, okay.
So you can kind of
and
crush
then we'll kind of
it.
crush
Use
it.
some force.
And this, I think, with this table is more
You might want to sit down for this if you want.
sturdy over here. Maybe it'll be more sturdy there. Okay. So we gotta crush these things, and I'm beginning to see why this item here has to be so heavy, because it's doing the work. I don't know if you can see that in there, the kind of progress we're making. So I'll put some more in?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll put some more in there and continue. And so we'll put it all in there. And this table is not really ideal for this, but we're underneath, I think, the sturdiest part. Just that it wiggles a little. We're not in the kitchen doing this. And let's see how we're doing now. Is that scrunched enough there? That one leaf is all together.
Yeah, keep crushing that leaf up.
Yeah.
You want almost like a paste. So once it gets like crushed
Like
to
a
a point.
paste. I think that part of that there.
That's looking good.
Okay, so
You can start adding in like the basil leaves then.
Okay.
Just throw all of those in there. And then just crush it for
get
about
the
a minute.
basil in. And that was almost gonna take a little skydive there off the edge. So if there's techniques to it, this is my first rodeo here, and there may be more efficient, expeditious manners of accomplishing this. But let's see what we're looking at here. Is that pasty enough, or is
Yeah, that's getting good. So if you
Okay.
want, you can put in those garlics, because those
Okay,
are going to
so
take a little bit.
we'll put our two garlics in?
Yeah, it's going to be pretty strong. So
And
make sure those are really spread out. Crush them all the way.
there, this is where the crushing part of it's more obvious with these pieces of garlic here. There. Now this is pesto sauce,
Yeah.
and our last ingredient's gonna be our nice cheese. Okay, are we looking good at there? A lot of it's sticking to what do they call this? The mortar?
I think it's the pesto.
The pesto, the
I
P-E-S-T-L.
believe so.
Some is sticking to it.
So
That's
you, can,
okay.
you can start putting in the
Okay.
cheese.
Just dump the cheese in.
Just
Yeah,
dump it all in.
Spoon.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure everything's all crushed up.
It doesn't seem there's gonna be much pesto sauce.
Yeah, you can always just use different amounts of things, but just for this demonstration, should be good with the pasta though.
Say the pasta doesn't need as much crushing?
Yeah, we're not going to crush the pasta. We're just going to pour this in there.
Okay.
And it'll all mix in. How's that
So this
looking?
is when, this is quite heavy, this mortar thing here.
Yeah, it's like a workout.
And so that's what it what it's looking like.
Okay, here we can pour some of this olive oil.
Okay, so we'll
in.
put some olive oil in.
Get some oil in there. Alright, and kind of break up those cheeses and get everything into more of like a mush.
Okay, what about that? More?
That's looking pretty good.
So, okay, so this is going to go in with the pasta.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the stove we got our pasta in the boiling water
Yeah.
for how many minutes?
Like 12.
12 minutes. And then this is going to be added to that.
Yeah.
So this is pesto sauce.
Yeah. Pesto sauce.
P-E-S-T-O. And this is a pesto, P-E-S-T-L-E. And this item here is a mortar. And as I say, they seems like they're made out of marble, and they are heavy. So we're done with this phase of the operation.
Sounds good.